Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to discuss DevOps concepts. The agenda of this tutorial is to discuss the background, where we'll cover the traditional and new age development methodologies. We'll understand the basics of DevOps concept. We'll understand the DevOps building blocks, where we'll cover the tools and technologies. We'll also understand the benefits of DevOps and best practices. The simple questions always asked by participants or someone who want to go for DevOps: is it DevOps for me, or should I go for DevOps? Should I enroll for DevOps? Or who is the right participant for DevOps? Or who is the right people should go for DevOps? I think everyone belongs to IT can go for a DevOps. DevOps is a emerging concept. DevOps is an emerging culture that big organization is already using it, like Twitter, Fedora. Many more companies are using the DevOps in their real environment. What are the benefits of using DevOps that we are going to cover in this video? But before that, what are the prerequisites do I require for this course? So there is no such prerequisite. It's okay to have some understanding of operating systems and understanding of networking. It's always good to have the understanding of code and some project management like Agile, PMP, or ITL. Any knowledge coming from this background or domain is always helpful. But if you're a fresher and a very new and want to do the DevOps, there is no such problem, because this course is created for everyone to start from the scratch. So if you are not having any knowledge and you are pretty new, you will going to learn this course, and this video is for those who want to learn from the scratch. This course is prepared in such a way that anyone having a zero knowledge about any tool of DevOps, they can go ahead and start with these videos, start with these trainings. So this training is prepared for everyone, those who want to start from the scratch and want to achieve the mastering in DevOps. This course is completely focused on step-by-step practical. So it's not limited to the theoretical, it's not limited to the conceptual or logically, it's all about practical. So we have put our effort to create videos, to create a training materials that help a participant to go and duplicate those scenarios and use cases and get a mastering into that. So this courses is for everyone, whether they belongs to leadership team, they belongs to development team, they belongs to operation team, or they belongs to any team of in IT process.